The 35th annual Calgary Folk Music Festival kicks off tomorrow, and this year there are 16 different countries being represented on 8 different stages. But the Folk Fest also features some of the best homegrown talent around, including Calgary's own Boreal Sons. And joining us this morning, we have the group's lead singer, Evan Wesley Acheson. Welcome.
Hello.
Hello. You are a born and bred Calgarian.
Yes.
So tell us what this means to be a part of this festival. It's so huge.
It is really cool. Well, I've been volunteering at the festival for the last 3 years in the after parties crew, and so that's where all the volunteers and artists congregate at the hotel after each night to celebrate, and it goes late into the night, and so I would just work the coat check or bring pizza in for everyone to devour in a matter of seconds. And so having volunteered for 3 years, it's really cool to be actually playing in the festival this year.
And playing in front of a hometown crowd and getting to explore all kinds of different music. What are you looking forward to checking out?
Well, there's a few artists from like really far away, like New Zealand and even South Korea.
Yeah.
And I've always really liked that very international atmosphere at the festival. So there's one artist in particular called Tiny Ruins from New Zealand, sort of soft, beautiful, lyrical folk. And I find that sort of music very inspiring, so I'm looking forward to that especially.
And if people want to check you out, Boreal Sons, in an audio capacity after the festival, they should check out Threadbare, right?
That's right, yeah, that's our album that came out last November. And I described that as being an album about learning to be vulnerable with others and honest with yourself.
Huh, okay. What are you going to play for us?
I'm going to play a song called Sparks from that album.
Okay. Evan Wesley Acheson, take it away.
Beneath our falling feet, floorboards like choirs of cedars creaking, fingers on paint-chipped keys. We let our voices speak speechlessly. Watching the mountain lake, breathing itself away. Each morning, a cinder singing smoke. We let our bodies breathe breathlessly. With your hand in mine and standing still as your shirt cuff skimmed the windowsill. Sweeping flecks of dust into the air for the beam of sun to hold them there. You said, let us be the dust we are. Sparks of sunlight coughing in the dark. There you said, let us be the of sunlight coughing in the dark.
Evan, first of all, that song was so beautiful, but your instrument, your voice is so striking. When did you discover that voice? Because men don't always men don't always explore that upper register. When did you find that?
I guess I started playing piano when I was 16.
Yeah.
And it was set up in my living room, and I would just be very experimental with my voice. And I think I learned how to sing because I would sing along to what I was playing, and my mom in the kitchen would yell, "You're flat!" or "Stop singing through your nose," or something. Yeah, she is. Yeah, both my parents.
Your voice is astonishing. That was really beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you for that. Make sure you check out Boreal Sons Sunday on stage 2. 3 performances, one at 10:30, one at 11:45, one at 3 o'clock. And the Calgary Folk Music Festival kicks off tomorrow, all through Sunday at Princess Island Park. Thanks for stopping by.
It's my pleasure. Thank you for having me.
Really gorgeous.